Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to update HP laptop in Windows 11. So simply you just go to your start menu, open your settings, just search here to settings, open my settings, go to network and internet, make sure to connect your Wi-Fi or Ethernet. I'm already connected this. Follow the left side showing you to Windows Update, showing you to download and install. Press on check for update. Click on check for update and press on this option. Click on and you get optional update. Make sure to enable and finally press on download and install. Now it's updating. Once it complete to 100%, then automatically update your Windows. So that's it.